Today I want to take a minute to talk about the drive cage by Ripcord. It's a limb-driven rest. Fully contained unit. If you're not familiar with the limb-driven rest, it simply means that the cable that drives the system attaches directly to your limb, whereas other systems often attach to your cable. The fact that it attaches to your limb makes it much easier to install. It can be installed without a bow press. You can do it at home. This model is not a micro tune, but it does have lines marked for easy adjustment. It adjusts left, right, up and down, so it'll adjust your vertical and your horizontals. It also has adjustments to adjust your angle of your arrow rest as well. What I like about the limb-driven rest, you don't need a bow press to do any work on it. So right now I have a little issue I got to deal with. You can see that it's not coming down all the way yet. And when we have that play, notice I got some slack here. So we're going to tighten that up. It's a very simple to do. All we have to do is loosen up one screw, tighten up this string, and we're good to go. Just pull that tight. Snug that set screw back up. And re-loop your knot here. That's all it takes. Very quick setup. That's tight again. This is all the way down like it should be, and it'll guarantee you your vein clearance. If you read some reviews on this particular rest, you'll find that they talk about it drops away faster, and that's only partly true. There's two components to this that we must understand. One, it actually stays up longer than some rests, and by staying up longer it stabilizes your arrow better. Then it drops away quicker than other rests for the guaranteed clearance. Since I've added this to my bow, I have much better arrow flight, especially with the broadheads.